Okay. Yeah, they're on the strap, Phil. Let's ever hear everybody yell out, "Come on, Phil." Okay, they're ready. This is the Navy. Righto, let's go. Okay, Phil, you're ready to go. Oh, this photographer bloke's pretty brave hanging just there. Won't be long before he gets over the edge there. It's only one little bit of truck holding him up. Here he goes. He's going to be going over any second now. Pumping a bit more into the rear of it. Now he's over.
Come on!
Pull up the suspension in the back. Here he goes. He's teetering there.
Go, Phil. Come on!
The tyres aren't on the ground. The front is on. The back aren't.